So in this video, I want to show you how perfectly inversely correlated the US dollar index and the Euro USD is. So this is a window for US dollar index daily time frame, and this is a window for Euro USD daily time frame, and this dual window is enabled in MetaTrader 5. So this is MetaTrader 5 mobile app. If you want to get that, just tap on your thing and use this very icon here. Okay, this very dual window icon, that's where you select the two. All right, so now let's get back to the comparison. Look at this point. Now when we were having a bearish candle here, the US dollar was printing a bullish candle. So here we got a reclaim of this level that was broken, and here we got the markets pulled back into that very level that was broken. The DXY found support here. That of Euro USD, it found resistance at this point. Okay, we also saw price here hit this high, and Euro USD hits this low. So look at the level where the DXY encountered resistance while moving up here. As it came up here, this is the level it encountered resistance. So while Euro USD was pushing down, this was the level it encountered support. Okay, so it's found support here and bounced off just because of this sell-off from this level on US dollar index. So right now the US dollar index is close to this support, and look at the Euro USD just close to this resistance too. So if the US index is able to break below this very support, that means that the Euro USD will be able to break above this resistance and move up. So the further the US dollar index will be coming down here, the higher the US dollar will be moving. So this is a perfect inversely correlated instrument, and that is the reason why you use the direction of the US dollar index to predict the direction of the Euro USD. So this is a perfect inversely correlated instrument. I hope this opens your eyes to why we use the US dollar index to compare the direction of the Euro USD. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos.